Tuesday's record-setting snow left Lafayette in a lot of mess, and it also highlighted the issues with the city's main water lines. I'm Angie Sager, North Lafayette Parish reporter, taking a look at the infrastructure issues years in the making and what city officials are doing to address them now.
What we saw over the last couple of days leading into the storm and then after the storm is high consumption, high demands.
Lafayette's recent snowstorm has led to widespread issues over the water pressure following a historic winter weather event, which wreaked havoc on the city's water infrastructure.
People tend to trickle or drip their faucets to try to prevent freezing pipes. And that puts a big strain on the water system. That drives up the demand. And the distribution systems throughout our parish just aren't able to handle it all the time.
Lafayette Utility System Director Jeffrey Stewart says the snowstorm highlights the ongoing issues with the city's water lines, issues being felt by neighbors like Dale Porter.
Yeah, we got a notification yesterday that drinking water's been contaminated, and that we would have to boil water for cooking and coffee and all of that kind of stuff.
Across Lafayette, neighbors are being asked to conserve water to help maintain system pressure. In a statement, LUS notes unprecedented water demands on the system, along with the extreme temperatures. LUS said it received over 1,000 service calls over the past few days relating to the freeze.
We're still in the state of emergency. We're still, monitoring pressures constantly. I would say it's going to be a few days, probably early to mid next week, before we're at a normal operation.
Stewart notes that it's going to take a unified effort to fix the city's water pipes.
Brings that awareness out that we do have some lines in our system that aren't able to handle all the demands that we're putting on it, and so it is time to make changes and replace or upgrade those systems.
Officials say that work is ongoing and residents should expect to see full restoration in the coming days. In the meantime, for more information on the ongoing work, visit our website at katc.com.